evening. Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be cooking some banana chaffles. Yes, in the keto world we call them chaffles. So that's what I'm going to be making today. So keep watching. In my bowl I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to add 2 eggs to that. I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. One teaspoon of banana flavor. Oh, it smells so good. Let me go ahead and mix that. 1 tablespoon of oat fiber flour. Okay, let me mix this up. I'm going to add a 1/2 tablespoon coconut flour. I mentioned to you my cream cheese was room temperature. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of rictitone. Let me go ahead and mix this up really well. Okay, on the other side I have my Belgian waffle machine heating up for the chaffles. So let me just go ahead and add it to that waffle maker. Here's the chaffle maker, my Belgian waffle machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it. And it will let me know when it's ready. Here are the chaffles. They are done and brown on both sides. It cooked in here, and the Belgian waffle, the green light turns on when it's ready. Just so you see it there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some syrup to the chaffles. So let me do keto syrup that I'm using on the waffles. Here I added sugar to the waffles, so probably don't need too much on it. I'm just going to go ahead and add it here. And it's kind of watery, but I still like it though. So I'm going to go ahead and taste a piece of this one here and see how it tastes. Here it is. It's nice and soft, nice and soft and fluffy. Got a nice bread texture to it. So you have to try this recipe. It is really a great recipe. Those waffles, or chaffles, they were delicious. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I mean, they just went so fast. I ate a piece of them, but Bill mainly ate them all and he wanted some more, but I didn't cook enough, so maybe next time. Have a wonderful day. If you like this Chaffle recipe, like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching Betty's Cooking Channel.